Hi, Bran. He's watching Sesame Street. He's watching Sesame. Oh, his favorite Elmo's World. You watching Elmo's World? Yeah. He's wearing his Buzz Lightyear pajamas. Oh, he's getting tired. He's getting tired. Say hi, Bran. Are you going to show us how you can walk? Brandon's 14 and a half months. It's August 13th, Friday the 13th. Hey, Brandon. He's crawling. He's more comfortable with crawling now. Will you stand up and walk for us? Oh, here he comes. Okay. You want to walk? You okay? He can walk now. Come here, honey. You walk to Mama? Here he goes! Here he goes! Yay! Oh, he's going good. Look at him go! Look at him go! Come on! Good boy! Yay! You gonna clap? There's our boy walking. He did it. Now he's playing with his favorite bear that he learned to turn on and off now. All right, say goodbye.